Learning and development teams spend weeks building training materials, yet new hires still ask basic questions months later. Traditional content often fails to scale, adapt, or stick. Interviews show that passive, textbook-style training leads to low retention and high dependency on ad hoc support. Here, trupeer.ai stands out as a savior. Let's begin by navigating to the Chrome Web Store to install the Trupeer Chrome extension. Once installed, you'll arrive at the Trupeer homepage. On the Trupeer homepage, you'll find options to either start a new recording or upload an existing video. If you're prepared to record, simply click on the Start Recording option. As the extension activates, an input language option will appear. Choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu and click Start Recording to begin. After finishing the recording, click Generate AI Content to create your content. The system will then take over, processing your recording. And voila! In just a few seconds, your video is ready. If any adjustments are needed, click on Edit. For edits, you can adjust the script by selecting it, typing manually, or copy and paste. Also, you can add voiceovers if needed. Additionally, you have the option to include music, and you have visual sections like a background, an intro slide, and an outro. If desired, you can also manually add zoom effects. We've integrated Hagen avatars to enhance realistic appearance. Also, you can including a feature called Elements to manage sensitive information. Easily click, drag, and drop on the specific video content to hide sensitive details. You can also convert your video into different aspect ratios, such as vertical or wide. Cropping is straightforward too. Adjust your screen as needed, and there's an option to trim the content by clicking Trim. Furthermore, you can translate your video content into over 50 global languages. Once you've selected the language, simply click Create Content. To download the documentation, just click on the documentation option. You can download it as a PDF, Word document, or Markdown file. There is also an option to annotate the document by clicking Edit option, and you can also translate document content if required. If you wish to create a shareable page, click on the Share option and customize the page to your preference. When ready, click Create Page. Thank you for watching. Whether you're training remote teams, onboarding new hires, or rolling out new software, Trupeer helps you create engaging, scalable training content without production delays. Ready to transform how your team learns? Start your free trial today.